What is a namespace in Python? In Python, a namespace is a system that maps name, such as variable name, function name, class name, etc., to a object in a program. It provides a way to organize and group related names and help avoid naming conflict between different parts of a program. Python namespace are implemented as dictionaries where the keys are the names of the object and the values are the object themselves. Each module, function, class, or a method defines its own namespace, and these namespaces are organized in a hierarchical structure. For example, when you define a variable in Python, it stores the namespace of the current scope, example function or a module. If a name is not found in the current namespace, Python will search the namespace of the enclosing scope, and so on until it reaches the built-in namespace. If the name is still not found, a name error is raised. You can access a namespace directly using built-in globals and locals function, which returns the dictionary of the current global and local namespaces respectively. You can also create your own namespaces using dictionary and use them to organize your program names.